Hello crafters, welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas YouTube hop. Our hostess is Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, and we also have Deborah Adams Creative Life and myself, Kimmy Murray, Salty Beach Scrapper. Now, today I decided to do Dear Santa, which is the final one on my Christmas challenge. I can't believe it's already over, and I am sorry I'm a few days late, and you're about to find out why, because I have been crafting like a mad woman, okay? Just insane. But let me show you some of the things that I use really quick in case you want to get these and make this for yourself. I love this little snowflake bow die. This is by KsCraft, and the designer is Nicole Paper Crafts, and that is her Etsy shop. Her YouTube channel is Nicole Silhouette, and she is one of my favorite cutting die designers. In fact, she's the only one that I really know, but I love her stuff. And so this one is a shaker die, but you can also create it without using it as a shaker. And today I did, because I want to show you how cute it is, even without using it as a shaker. So anyway, definitely I'll have the links down below for that. I am not sure if Nicole made this. I tried looking through all her recent dies that she made on the website for KsCraft, and I did not see this one under her thing. But anyway, this is super cute. It is a little Santa jumping through the chimney, and it is so adorable. And this is also a shaker, or you don't have to make a shaker either way. You can have lots of layering pieces. And then the last one that I used that I know of, I mean, guys, I like really did so many, I can't even keep up. I used this one right here, this little hot cocoa cup with a little spoon. And I'm trying to think, did I even use the word cocoa? I don't think I did. But anyway, I used the little hearts, the marshmallows. I used the little, little foamy thing right here, whatever you want to call it. And so it just turned out so precious, and I can't wait to show you that. So anyway, that is by YiXuan Scrabooking, and I'll have their link down below as well. So let's get down into what I made, because it is a lot. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to show you the little snowflake die, and look at how cute it is with these colors. What I love about this is you can use this all winter long. So it could be January, February crafting as well. This would be super cute for Valentine's. I just love it. So anyway, this is also, I forgot to mention, this is also a KsCraft tag die that Nicole designed as well. And it has several different little types of things here that you can add on top that are designed differently. So I will have that link down below. See guys, I told you, I use so many I can't even keep up. But anyway, we have our little Santa Claus with a little ho-ho and a little fish down there swimming in the ocean. And then I have our little toucan, and he's checking out the little beach hut, and I just thought that was really super cute. The paper collection is mine, and it's called Santa Claus, as in C-L-A-W-S, as in Krabby Claus. Okay, now the next one we have is this little Santa jumping down the chimney, and it is so cute. The little shaker pieces, several of them are actually from the KsCraft store, and a few of them are from, I just kind of like made a mixture, but most of it is KsCraft. The little Santa Claus, and of course the little stockings or candy canes. I'm not sure what they are, but anyway, so we have this little ho-ho-ho that I created in Adobe. I did add some little styrofoam balls. Again, this is my paper collection. I did go ahead and use my white gel pen and added in the little stitch lines here on this little bow. And then this little gem is from Michaels. I am not sure where this bow file comes from, but I believe it is probably Cricut. Okay, if I do find that, I will give you the item number for that for Cricut. Okay, now here is the adorable little cocoa cup. That's also a shaker, and that is by YiXuan Scrabooking, and I will have that link down below. But the inside of this is a lot of little pieces from KsCrafts and some other mixtures that I just kind of added in there, seed beads. I popped all of this up on foam, and I actually used foam paper as well as no, I just used foam paper. I'm crazy. I used foam paper to actually dye these, and then regular paper on top of it. And I actually added in some little marshmallows on the inside too. I think it's so cute. And then we have our little design on the inside. It says, "'Tis the season to drop hot cocoa bomb." It's so cute. But anyway, so I love that. That's another one. Okay, and then I made several of these, guys. Like literally, I started doing just like a ton of cards and tags all at once, okay? Because it is just, you know, a lot. But anyway, so these two paper collections, I believe are, no, this is a different paper collection. But anyway, this is a little penguin here called Winter Wishes. And then I have some snowballs that I went ahead and created. And I thought that turned out really fun. I have a little message on the back of them that I created as well in Adobe. So I just love those, okay? And this one is actually a different paper, but these papers are from my collection. The penguin is not, okay? Then we have, again, another one of my paper collections from Santa Claus is Happy Holidays. And I believe that one is in there. If it's not, I've lost my mind. But anyway, I did this one with a different little paper design, but it's still the same little penguin. So that's really cute. I made 2 of those. And then again, I made another penguin with a little red bow. Now, this bow was actually from Cricut, but I went ahead and designed it with a larger one, then a smaller one, and then I went ahead and created a circle. I also used my sweater embossing folder by Doris. I don't know if you can see that, but it is super cute. Love that. Then I created 2 of these. Oh, did I create 3 of these? I created 3 of these. Okay. So this is also, again, my paper collection, and it says Merry Christmas in the background. And then we have a little snowbird and his little Christmas cabana. So cute. And then, again, here's another one of my paper collections as well. And I still did the snowbird with a Christmas cabana. But this one has, like, the little life raft and the snowbird and one of the little fishies here. And so I just thought that was adorable. Then, again, my paper collection, this is all, I have 30 designs, I believe, in this collection, okay? So we have our little flamingo, and we have a little present on top that I just did a little bit of popping up on foam dots. And I absolutely love this paper in the background. It's a little Christmas tree with an anchor on the top. And then we have an anchor, and then we have Noel. And I love the, I want to call it like Papagallo pink colors. I don't know if y'all remember Papagallo purses, but they were the thing back in the 80s, let me tell you. Okay, then we have Krabby Claus. Okay, so all I did was use some of my Nuvo drops. I use Nuvo drops throughout a lot of these, okay, to kind of emphasize the little lines on the hat, and of course the eyes and the little dots on his body as well. And so we have the little ship's wheel in the background on these 2. And then again, we have, again, that snowbird with a Christmas tree and the life raft. Then we have some tags that were created in Cricut. I believe these are Cricut files. I'm pretty sure. And honestly, I tried to go back to find it. I don't know why I didn't save it. It's pretty crazy. But anyway, so this one is pretty layered. We have a little Christmas tree. This is not Christmas lights. Sorry, Christmas lights. This is actually from the Busy Sidewalks collection by Crate Paper, but the rest is all mine. And so we have a little pineapple. We have the little Christmas tree in the pot. We got candy canes and just a little toucan friend. Again, I did a lot of Nuvo drops right there to kind of emphasize. Here we did some glitter this time. We have a Noel, and again, holding the little life raft. It's just adorable. Then we have Santa Claus hanging out behind this little sailboat right here. He's supposed to like look like he's on the inside. This one I actually did flocking. This little white flocking, Debbie gave me a sample of it, and I really love it. And then here on little Krabby Claus here, we did some glitter. And then again, I just popped everything up. And then again, this is another one of my papers from the collection Happy Holidays, but this time it is in the black and white theme. So I love that. And then my final little card right here is the little flamingo, and it says, "Have yourself a beachy little Christmas." I just kind of have these popped up on foam. The rest is kind of glued in the background. And then on the inside, I created have a beachy little Christmas with a little sand dollar on the inside. So anyway, guys, this is what I created. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous Christmas. I'm actually going to give you until January 6th to watch all my videos. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And then I will be picking out my winner for all 3 prizes. So I will see you all then. I hope you all have a wonderful and amazing and blessed and safe Christmas, as well as New Year's too. And if you are flying or traveling at all, I really hope that you guys don't run into any issues. So I will see you all and the 6th. All right, guys, and we'll find out who the winners are. So anyway, guys, have a wonderful and fabulous day. Again, thank you, Rosa Kelly, for inviting me. I had so much fun. It was just, this is like a crazy whirlwind. I can't believe it's like Christmas already. But anyway, guys, bye, y'all.